Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the ACEBEAM brand, their E70. It's an everyday carry LED rechargeable flashlight. Has 4600 lumens and it'll have a 240 meter beam distance. That's over 600 feet, and it uses the XLamp XHP70.2 LED. We'll talk about that a little bit later. Now this product comes in this really cool looking box. Has a 5-year warranty from the manufacturer, and it gets great Amazon rating. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. And here it is. When you open the fancy box, you can see the unit itself. Let's see what else is included in here. So there's everything out of the box. It does have a warranty sheet. Talks about the full 60 months and 15 days to replace any defective light immediately. And here's the unit itself, and a nice little holder, instruction booklet, extra set of gaskets, USB-A to USB-C cable, and the flashlight itself, where it has a nice hand strap already attached to it. And look how sharp this thing looks. And here is the really tight clip on there that you can undo if you want with those hex head screws. I love this open cut right here, which is going to allow cooling, and it just looks really high tech. And then the way they did this whole front with the little openings on there, the scallops on there. Look at the interesting reflector in there. It looks like it has little bumps on there to disperse the light differently. It looks like it has a little cover, so make sure you remove that cover. And then it has the back tail light switch on there, really nice. So when you first get the flashlight, the manual doesn't mention this. You have to unscrew this top piece right here, very high quality aluminum, and then you can see it has this piece on here which is going to prevent the energy from going to the flashlight. Then you can put this on by turning it clockwise, and you can see it has lubrication on there because there is a gasket right there. Once you do that, it should be able to be used. And let's go over the operation of this. So I'm going to hold this button down for 3 seconds, and it goes into moonlight mode. And that's really nice if you're in total darkness, and I would use this for paranormal investigations, or if you're going for a walk. This is the minimal amount of light, and it allows you to use it for the longest amount of time. Then you hit it again and it shuts off. Now if you pulse this once, or twice I should say, this tail, then it goes on really bright, and it just blew my eyes out, and it's the brightest mode right there. Double click it again and it goes to the turbo mode, which is the absolute brightest it's going to get, and then it goes back to that mode. So you have normal mode, double click turbo mode, and then you hold it down to shut it off. It goes back to the moonlight mode, and then you could hold it again and it'll go to a medium mode, then off. In any mode of operation, if you want to get the strobe for emergency, you triple click this, 1, 2, 3, and then it goes into that strobe mode. Really bright. Looks like they chose the turbo mode for the strobe, which is really nice. If you start off in the moonlight mode, you can hold this button down and it'll go through all the different modes. Actually cycle through them. You can pick the one you want. That's kind of nice. Then you stop at that point, and then it's in that mode, which happens to be the turbo mode. So let's do a thermal test. I've had this running for about 7 minutes, and I have a thermal gun right here. I don't know if the camera's going to be able to pick it up. I'll tell you the number. So it's about 120 degrees. This is a dual measuring. So it's 125 degrees right on the hottest point of the head right here. And that's fine. That's normal for this type of LED. And that's showing that it's dissipating the heat. This is utilizing an XLamp XHP70.2. It's the next generation of extremely high power LEDs that deliver the lower system cost through the best lumens density. And the color temperature is 6500 K. Compact size is only 5.5 inches in length, suitable for pockets, backpacks, and gloves. And the huge 4600 lumens is unbelievable, 240 meter over 600 feet throw distance. And it has a stainless steel tail switch and one-handed operation, double-click design to prevent accidental lighting in the pocket. 5 levels of adjustable brightness, 2 special modes, strobe and moonlight mode that I showed. This is excellent for daily use, camping, hiking, cycling, and many other uses. They also cleverly designed it so that it has a flat base so that it can be used as a candle in a room. I really like that. This flashlight is also impact resistance to 1.5 meters and is waterproof to 2 meters, totally submersible, which is really amazing. So you don't have to worry about this getting wet in a storm or if you're camping, and very useful that if they're worried about the water penetrating it. Now to charge this battery, you unscrew the head as I showed earlier, and here is this really large battery. I've never seen one this big, 5100 milliamp hour, and it's a 21700. And if you look on the top of it, it has a USB-C port right there. So that plugs right into the included cable right there. And then you go to any USB-A port. Here we've got a USB-A port. I'm going to plug it in right here. And what it's going to do is going to charge the battery and allow you to bring this up to full capacity. Hope the camera's picking it up, but on the positive of the battery, there's a tiny little opening right there, and there is a red LED. That LED is going to extinguish and go off when the battery is fully charged. So here I have the studio lights off. I have it on the turbo mode, and I have a fixed distance away of about 6 feet. Now it's not concentrated the light, so much more of the light is going outward because of that reflector, but it's showing me about 1276 lux on there, and that's just a small portion of the light. So I fully believe that Lumens rated, giving it a 4600. Here I want to show you the throw that this has. This is 6 feet away, and at 6 feet it's got a concentrated beam that's about 4 feet in diameter, and you can see it's really bright in the center, but it's about 4 feet. So that reflector is doing a really good job dispersing the energy. You can see right there on the green screen. And now we're going to try it outside, show you how bright it is in a dark area in my house. We're going to show it outside, and I'm going to be showing the outside of my house how bright this really is. So I'm outside in front of my house, 25 feet away. I'm in darkness, and got the flashlight right here. And I'm going to show you. It's lighting up the garage door, really bright. Top of the house. I can move across over there. So it's got a nice wide beam, as you can see. It's not focused down to a small size. So it's really functional if you're trying to light up a nice wide area. So here's with it off, and here's with it on. And here's the flashlight itself. You can see, got it right here. On, off, on. Really nice. So after testing, what do I think about the ACEBEAM brand, their E70 everyday carry LED with that amazing XHP70.2 LED, extremely bright, runs relatively cool, comes with a really nice holder, extra gaskets. The battery inside here is huge capacity, as I showed, with the included port on there in the cable. This has a really nice feel to it and extremely high-tech looking. Runs really cool where your hand touches. I love it. This clip has got a lot of force on it. It's going to be able to work. And as I showed, it could stand up on a table, be used as a table light, candle light, and has full control of all the different settings and brightness levels, including the moonlight mode, which is really handy. So I like this product. I'm impressed. It's bright, runs cool, and it's one of those kind of flashlights you just want to get. It's got a lot of functionality to it and looks beautiful, and operates quite nicely. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to alert you to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be an ordering link in the information section of this video review. Please use that link when you order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.